Hello everyone, welcome to this demo video. In this custom module, you will be able to manage the cash in and cash out workflow in your POS system. So we will start from multi-session configuration. I have selected some users, some cashier. Okay, now you can open a session. Okay, before this, first activate the cash in cash out configuration. Okay. And also I'm activating the print statement. Okay. Now open as a cacher. I'm opening as an admin. Okay. I'm just cash in amount and region and just hit the cash in button. Okay. And cash out as a initial admin. Okay. And here you can print the statement or users. Okay. I'm just changing the capture and you can over and the cash in. You can see the report and cash out. You can also do that. Okay, and I'm changing the mark demo, cash in, okay, and cash out. Okay, after that you can print the statement report. Okay, here you can see the all cashier and it's cash in and cash out. Okay, print the statement in PDF and receipt. Okay. You can also see the cash in cash out report in a reporting section. Here you can see the cash in and cash out, all the details, region, cashier, session, responsible amount, reasons, everything. Okay, you can also see the journal entries of cash in and cash out and accounting. This is the cash in cash out. Just open any cash control. Cash. Okay. And here you can see the all cash in cash out. These are the general items. So this is the complete flow of our custom module. If you are interested in purchasing, the buy link and other details are available in the description box. Feel free to check them out. If you would like to add any extra features or need any customization, you can contact us via email or WhatsApp for further discussion. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.